What's going on, guys? Jay back again from Wixwise Car Audio and Fabrication, and well, welcome back. It's been a little while.
It's been a minute.
Plenty of videos in the works that just have not managed to make it to the light of day, but that's a problem for another time. Here we are today. I have Oliver's X5 here. If you've been following my channel for a while, I did a video, would be close to 4 or 5 years ago now. Actually, I have to double check how long it's been. It's been quite a while, back when I was working at Profound Sound, and I did a match UP7 BMW into a G30 520D, I think it was from memory. And that was my first taste of the match plug and play system for BMW. And look, obviously, if you've watched that video, you can see how straightforward it was. Very, very good system. And for an upgrade to these things, it actually is a very big upgrade for such a simple sort of amp and installation. Obviously, the tuning is the big key of this procedure. That's what brings this all together and makes it worthwhile putting one of these things in here. Without further ado, it is time to put an amplifier in. This is going to be so hard and arduous.
It's a painstaking, arduous task that seems to go on and on forever.
Ready for a big one? Bring it on. I just realised I'm doing this the hard way. Lucky I realised early. Sneaky one. No, it make my life easier. There we go. Hello. Bam. Okie dokie. Well, let's get our match out. Look at that. Love it. Absolutely love it. And of course, our mounting plate. So, there you go. All right, bang on. Straight in, like it was made for it. Ha, 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 like it was made for it. And of course, our UP8. I'll go and get myself a little Torx driver. Now, you do have the option, if you end up wanting to use these to run a bit more juice, you do have the connector to actually do the direct power input as well. But a lot of the time with the basic systems on the stock speakers, just that factory, 20 amp that it's going to pull basically over that cable is going to do the job. But again, the option for upgrade is always there, which is, it's always kind of nice. I like upgradability. Have I grabbed the right Torx? I bet you I haven't. Oh my God. How about it? Stranger things have happened. Seen these before? Well, you haven't seen this exact one before, but yes. Biggest difference is now, obviously, these have moved to the SCP port over the old control port for the director input or conductor input or URC input, whatever it is that you might want to input it to. Yes, Jay. So, yeah, basically our 8-channel amplifier. Let's see if my brain can remember this. 6x65 at 4 ohm plus 2x140 at 2 ohm. No, sorry, at 4 ohm. And then it will actually load down to 2 ohm. So you can run a small sub off those 2 channels if you want to run a dual voice coil sub. Anyway, continue to get this mounted. Now, what way are you going to put your harness, Jane? No, you're going to want, no, I want it to sit upright. So my harness is going to go over the top. Yep, that should give heaps of space to run around. Cool. I want to mount it upside down. Everything will be 180 degree out of phase. I don't want the extra tuning work. Oh, okay, you're going to want to go underneath. That's fine with me. Upside down, upside down. Small cable ties and make that sit happily. Gonna actually hold it a bit like that. Beautiful. Now, before I do anything else, I will plug this in. Our control cable. And there we go. We are ready to install. Harness in. Bam. Spin that way. There we go. That's the spot. Oh yeah. Lovely. All right, make sure it fires up and I'll put a couple cable ties on there. Mint.
Finance $1,000. Equal monthly payment plan, T's and C's, charges and exclusions. Don't miss no deposits.
Audio.
Interest free from Latitude at
Mint.
Harvey Norman now.
I love Match.
Bigger fridge.
Gotta love that. Wow. Well, as always, super impressed. Yeah, stock speakers. This is the stock hi-fi system. So, you know, you never expect them to be amazing, but this sounds way better than it should. Again, for a super, super simple, basic upgrade, a bit of tuning, and look, these do come with a tune out of the box, which is, it's all right, but it could definitely be better. A bit of a tweak from the old Wick and sounding pretty bloody good. So, I guess I better get the customer in here and see what he reckons.
Clarity of every instrument is unbelievable. It's such a huge step, and a huge improvement.
It's an amazing difference for a basic
upgrade, it is an amazing change.
I mean, this supersedes any of my expectations about what an amp could do, and it just shows
Fantastic.
how important an upgrade really is.
Yeah, absolutely.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Thank you, sir. So, all done and finished. And I think Mr. Oliver is kind of impressed with the system, so you like it?
It's unbelievable. It was such a step up in terms of clarity of the music, every single instrument, the definition of the speakers. I previously had the Harman Kardon system in my previous car, and then I came into this with the hi-fi system. And one of the things I noted is that the hi-fi system, although okay and adequate, it really was strained and didn't really deliver the depth that I wanted. And it did a bit of research, looked at some amplifiers, and then obviously came across Jay and his fantastic videos, and then kind of thought that this is the guy to do the job, and I saw his passion. And I've got to tell you, it's night and day. Like, just the simple case of putting the amplifier in and him having the fine-tuning ability to get it where it is unbelievable. And I would highly recommend anyone with the hi-fi system just looking for that increase in clarity and depth. I mean, I've only listened to a couple of songs in it, and it's put.
He was jumping up and down in there a little bit. It was a good experience. It was definitely a good experience, and I'm super happy that you're ecstatic with, you know, just this result. And again, I've had this conversation with so many people about the fact that you don't need to do heaps to BMWs to get them to sound nice. Literally, a DSP amp upgrade can make a world of difference to the car. I mean, obviously, there's always higher levels, but at the same time, you can do a lot with a little. So, yeah.
I'm really happy with the product. It is a fantastic product, and of course you need a proper technician in order to get it to the next level. If you're as picky as I am with music and you need that extra level, I highly recommend Jay.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it, Oliver. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Love working on the car. And again, if you want to come back in the future and get another little upgrade, we can always sneak one in. So,
fantastic.
All right, well, thanks again, guys. Cheers for watching. Until next time, I'll try and get some of these other bigger videos out. I've actually still got another X5 video to come out, which have, well, almost the same car, but with the two P6s and all the Morel reference gear. So that'd be a cool one. But until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you then. See ya.
It's my head. Oh my God. God damn it, Joe, get a haircut.